so this is a video on the steps for when you publish the Deploy as web app. So this is going to talk about the difference between this Google Scripts, the exec, and then the dev, which are both two different URLs you can get from deploying the app. So let's start from clean. Let's clear our spreadsheet. And I'll close these so that we know we're opening them again. So here we go, we've got a clean slate, which is where we should start pretty much all this stuff. And I'm just going to comment out this first one here. So first we're going to, it's our first line of code without us changing very much. We're going to save that, or we're going to run clean. Then we go publish, deploy as web app, and we're going to create a new version. This is going to be version 2. And in this one we have changed, what have we changed? We're going to change the get range. Added get range orange. Okay, so we've got a new version, all of these is the same, and we go update. And we've got this box here that says there are now two different web apps. So we've got this one, which we can copy and paste, which is our exec. So if I hit enter, it will run, and it will put this out onto our spreadsheet. Now there's this other one down here in the latest code, which I have to clear that out. If we clean that, so here our spreadsheet is clean. If I refresh the dev one, the same thing will happen, because we just published version 2. Version 2 is exactly the same for both of these like web pages. You can see the exact same thing has happened there. So now if I want to change my code, let's say I'm going to add this violet box to C3, and I'm going to hit run to save it and to clean this page. Now if I do the same thing, we go publish, deploy as web app, and we're going to keep it to version 2, so we're not going to create a new one, we're keeping to version 2, and we update, and we go OK, and then we just refresh these because they are the same URL. First let's refresh the dev one. And we can see that this little purple box has been added because we've added this code to our do get, right? We can run that, and if we run the do get function, we can see the exact same thing appearing here. Let me do that again. Oh, well, we can't read parameter. Right, yeah, it's not going to do that. That's fine, because we haven't done the parameter stuff yet. So if we refresh this one, the execute one, this is the public one, this was the really big URL, we can see that this here has not appeared. It's only showing our original version 2. Now, if we wanted our code to show up here, we wanted that purple box to show up from this URL rather than our developer's URL, we would have to publish it as version 3. So we'd have to create a new version. And we can update it. And I don't know if the URL is the same, so let's just, we'll clean this first. So we've cleaned the page here, and then if I hit refresh, you can see that the new version has appeared. So that's how that works.